In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide apps on your iPhone. Hiding apps on an iPhone is crucial for maintaining privacy and security, as it prevents unauthorized access to sensitive or personal applications. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, head to this option of screen time. You will then head to content and privacy restrictions. On this page, tap on content restrictions. Select on this option of apps. To hide all your apps, just tap on Don't Allow. All downloaded apps except the default ones will get hidden. This feature is especially beneficial for safeguarding confidential information and enhancing parental control by restricting children's access to inappropriate or distracting apps. That's how easy it is to hide apps on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.